Good evening, Sephora fans. My name is Johevis from the Sephora in Miami, Florida. And today I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine, which includes double cleansing, age-defying ingredients, and dry skin solutions. So stay tuned to learn how to get your skin looking right. All right, you guys, so we're going to start removing our makeup with the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm with Echinacea Green Envy. This is one of my favorite products in the market, and I'm going to be using it by scooping a quarter-size amount, warming it up to my fingertips, and gently massaging on my face, décolleté, and neck. This guy is going to remove any impurities on my skin and melt off everything. This product is suitable for all skin types, and it has a solution for uneven skin tone and dryness. So I'm using a damp cloth to remove all the makeup, ensuring that I get my forehead, the back of my ears, and anywhere where I might have put on some foundation, just to make sure there's nothing sitting on top. So since I do wear eyelash extensions, I'm not applying the balm directly to my eye, so I'm using the cloth and removing the eyeshadow without touching my lashes. So part of the double cleansing process is ensuring that you're wiping off all the makeup that's sitting on the surface of your skin. Up next, we're going to be using Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse. So I'm going to be using this product by squeezing about a quarter-size amount onto the palm of my hands, warming it up until it becomes a nice foamy consistency, and gently massaging onto my skin. A double cleanse is important because it ensures that it removes any existing residue still lying on the surface of the skin. The Tatcha Deep Cleanse is suitable for all skin types, and it has a solution for people who struggle with concerns like enlarged pores, dullness, uneven texture, and even oiliness. Also gentle enough for sensitive skin because of the soft amino acids derived from silk, giving the skin a soft and hydrated feeling. So once again, you're going to want to rinse this product off with lukewarm water. I'm using a cloth and ensuring that I'm absolutely removing everything on the surface of my skin, including the back of my ears, the hairline, my eyes, making sure that I'm not touching the lashes, and remove until it's completely soft and hydrated. So it's better to be safe than sorry. So our next step, we're going to be using the Beauty Water by Sun & Park. This is a micellar and toning water, and it's great for those of you who use eyelash extensions and struggle with removing your makeup because it doesn't have any oily residue and it really removes everything instantly. I'm going to add a generous amount to my cotton round and remove any extra makeup still lying on the surface of my skin and concentrate on the eye area specifically. This product is also multitasking. It also tones your skin, and it's great for dullness and uneven texture, and of course, for dryness. So up next, one of my favorite products, the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. So now that my skin is nice and clean, we're going to first ensure that the skin is completely clean, and it's going to exfoliate and add some radiance back into my skin by wiping the pad across my face, neck, and décolleté. This amazing product is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive. This daily treatment pad contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acid to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. All right, you guys, so up next, we're going to be using the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Intense Glow Pad SelfTanner for your face. For those of you who know that I cannot live without SelfTanners. So today I'm going to show you how I maintain some color onto my face. You want to ensure yourself that you're applying this product evenly on your entire face, décolleté, and back of the ears, and don't forget the hairline. Very important. You don't want to see that hairline. To see results, just wait a few hours for your tan to develop, especially when you wake up in the morning looking flawless. To ensure that the product penetrates correctly, wait about 30 seconds to 60 seconds before applying your next product. Up next, we're going to be using the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. Pour a quarter-size amount onto your palms, warm it up, and pat gently onto the skin and décolleté. It's suitable for all skin types, and it has a solution for fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, uneven texture, and pores. And whatever's left on your hands, you can apply it wherever you need some extra love. So I like to apply it on my arms, on my elbows, on my feet. Give yourself about 30 to 60 seconds before applying your next product to ensure that the kombucha is settling into your skin. This is one of my favorite products, and it really helps out my dry skin. Up next, a cult favorite, Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Night Oil. Just like I love self-tanners, I love oils, especially for my dry skin. Luna is a blue retinol oil that boosts the look and feel of skin's plumpiness while improving the appearance of wrinkles, redness, and pores. Luna is suitable for all skin types, so don't be afraid, oily gang. Since it does have retinol, I would only use this product at nighttime. Up next, I'm going to be using a product I cannot live without. Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. This is the second oil that I apply on my skin, and it's one of my favorite products for sure. Marula can be used day and night, or alone, or layered on top. It has a great solution for people with dry skin, uneven texture, fine lines, and wrinkles, and you can add anywhere from 3 to 5 drops. Warm it onto your fingertips and press it on the areas where you need more love. This oil is a multi-purpose oil and can be used on your nails, hair, face, body, anywhere you like. The more hydrating the product gets, the more I love it. Pharmacy Sleep Tight Firming Night Balm with Echinacea Green Envy is one of my favorites. Sleep Tight is a very renewing, lightweight balm that helps moisturize, supports firming, toning. It has a great solution for dullness, fine lines and wrinkles, and also uneven texture. Warm a small amount onto the palms of your hands until it becomes an oil and apply upward motions to your face and décolleté. A great pro tip, you can also use this guy on your feet. Let's not forget our eyes. We're going to be using the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior Eye Gel Visible Dark Circle Eraser. If you're like me and need extra love with your dark circles, Wrinkle Warrior Eye Gel is the right product for you. What I love about it is that it can be used AM or PM, and it's great under makeup. Use a right size amount, heat it onto the ring finger, and gently tap on the orbital bone to stimulate circulation. Last but not least, we're going to be using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. After all those products we wear throughout the day, this guy is going to help hydrate, exfoliate, and smooth your lips for a plumpy, cute pout when you wake up in the morning. So there you have it, guys, my nighttime skincare routine. I hope this video helped those of you with the same skin concerns as I do. So if you want to watch more videos like this one, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. Bye, till next time.